Atlantic salmon, scientifically known as Salmo salar, belongs to the family Salmonidae. This family, Salmonidae, is a diverse group of ray-finned fish that includes various species of salmon, trout, char, whitefish, and grayling. Salmon is a popular type of fish known for its distinct flavor and nutritional benefits. There are several species of salmon, including Atlantic salmon, Chinook salmon, sockeye salmon, coho salmon, and pink salmon, among others. Here are some key characteristics of Atlantic salmon. Appearance. Atlantic salmon typically have a silver-blue coloration on their back with a silvery white belly. They have black spots on their gill covers and upper body, and their coloring can change depending on their environment and life stage. Size. Adult Atlantic salmon can vary in size depending on factors such as age, diet, and location. On average, they range from about 24 to 28 inches in length and can weigh anywhere from 8 to 12 pounds, although individuals exceeding 30 pounds are not uncommon. Life cycle. Like other salmon species, Atlantic salmon are anadromous, meaning they are born in freshwater rivers, migrate to the ocean to mature, and return to their natal rivers to spawn. They undergo significant physical changes as they transition between freshwater and saltwater habitats. In Ireland, juvenile salmon usually stay in the river for 2 to 3 years. After hatching as larvae called alevins, immature salmon develop into fry in their first year and then into parr in their second year and subsequent years in the river. These look like juvenile brown trout but are generally more silvery in color. The parr often have well-defined dark blotches called parr marks along their sides. Salmon fry and parr require rivers with good water quality, cool temperatures, stony riverbeds and adequate cover provided by aquatic vegetation. Parr feed primarily on freshwater invertebrates. As salmon parr prepare to migrate to sea from the river, they become smolts, turning more silver in appearance and undergoing physiological changes to prepare for saltwater conditions. Diet. In freshwater, young Atlantic salmon primarily feed on aquatic insects and small invertebrates. As they transition to saltwater, their diet expands to include a variety of marine organisms such as small fish, crustaceans, and squid. Atlantic salmon is not only delicious but also highly nutritious. The color of salmon meat can vary depending on several factors, including the species, diet, environment, and processing methods. Here's an overview of the typical colors of salmon meat. Wild salmon. Wild-caught salmon typically have a reddish-orange coloration to their flesh. This color comes from carotenoid pigments, such as astaxanthin, that are naturally present in the salmon's diet of krill and other crustaceans. The specific shade of orange can vary depending on the species and other factors. Farm salmon. Farm salmon may exhibit a wider range of colors compared to wild-caught salmon, depending on the type of feed they receive. Many farm salmon are fed diets supplemented with synthetic or natural astaxanthin to achieve a similar reddish-orange color to that of wild salmon. Without such supplements, farm salmon may have a paler pink or even grayish flesh color. Nutrition. Protein. Atlantic salmon is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth, repair, and overall health. A typical serving of cooked Atlantic salmon, about 3 ounces, contains approximately 20–25 grams of protein. Omega-3 fatty acids. One of the most notable nutritional benefits of Atlantic salmon is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid. These fatty acids are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body. Consuming Atlantic salmon regularly can help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and improve cognitive function. Vitamins. Atlantic salmon is rich in several vitamins, including vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, and vitamin A. Vitamin D is crucial for bone health, immune function, and mood regulation, while vitamin B12 is essential for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells. Vitamin B6 plays a role in metabolism and brain health, while vitamin A is important for vision, immune function, and skin health. Minerals. Atlantic salmon provides important minerals such as selenium, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure and muscle function. Phosphorus is necessary for bone health, and magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in the body. Low in mercury. Compared to other types of fish, Atlantic salmon tends to have lower levels of mercury, making it a safer choice, especially for pregnant women and young children. Smoked salmon is a popular preparation method that involves curing and smoking fresh salmon to impart a rich, smoky flavor. Smoked salmon is a versatile ingredient that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, such as smoked salmon bagels, salads, pasta dishes, and appetizers. Its rich, smoky flavor adds depth to any dish and makes it a favorite among seafood lovers. Salmon sustainability refers to the responsible management and harvesting of salmon populations to ensure their long-term health and viability, as well as the health of the ecosystems they inhabit. Wild salmon management. Effective management of wild salmon populations is essential for sustainability. This involves implementing regulations and quotas to control fishing pressure, protecting critical habitats such as spawning grounds and migration routes, and monitoring population health through scientific research and monitoring programs. Aquaculture practices. As demand for salmon continues to rise, aquaculture, fish farming, has become an important source of salmon production. Sustainable aquaculture practices aim to minimize environmental impacts, reduce the use of antibiotics and chemicals, and ensure the health and welfare of farmed salmon. This includes measures such as site selection to minimize interactions with wild salmon, proper waste management, and responsible feed sourcing. Certification programs. Various certification programs, such as the Marine Stewardship Council, MSC, and the Aquaculture Stewardship Council, ASC, provide standards and guidelines for sustainable salmon production. These programs assess fisheries and aquaculture operations based on factors such as stock health, environmental impact, and management practices, and certify those that meet their criteria. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more videos.